Hello, viewers and fellow nature lovers. Today, we are diving deep into the world of reconnecting with nature and exploring how you can achieve a harmonious balance between the digital realm and the wonders of great outdoors. I am your host, Mr. Pyneer, and I can't wait to share the incredible benefits of embracing nature in our life. In this fast-paced digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the virtual world, but this comes at a cost. We often feel disconnected from ourselves and the natural world around us. The first step to reconnecting with nature is acknowledging the need for it. Reconnecting with nature doesn't mean completely abandoning technology. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Start by setting realistic goals that align with your lifestyle. For instance, commit to spending at least 30 minutes outdoors every day or plan a technology-free weekend getaway once a month. You don't have to travel far to connect with nature. Nature can be found all around us, even in urban environments. Take a stroll in local park, tend to a small garden, or have a picnic near a tranquil lake. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of embracing nature. Firstly, spending time outdoors reduces stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. Nature also boosts our creativity and cognitive function, making us more focused and productive in our daily lives. Nature has its own rhythm. The rising and setting of the sun, the changing seasons, and the ebb and flow of tides. By immersing ourselves in these natural rhythms, we can feel more grounded and connected to the world around us. Engaging in outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, or simply walking improves our physical health. The fresh air and exercise invigorate our bodies, leading to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Nature provides the perfect setting to practice mindfulness, being fully present in the moment without judgment. By observing the sights, sounds, and sensations around us, we can cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude and awareness. Embracing nature can also be a social activity. Spend quality time with loved ones in outdoor settings, strengthening your bonds and creating cherished memories together. Reconnecting with nature can come with challenges too, especially if you are used to a technology-driven lifestyle. Don't be disheartened by occasional setbacks. The key is to stay committed to your goals and keep reminding yourself of the tremendous benefits that lie ahead. Remember, reconnecting with nature is a journey, one that enriches our lives in countless ways. Be open to new experiences, embrace the unknown, and let nature guide you on a path of self-discovery and growth. Well, at this moment, I would like to thank you for joining me on this adventure of reconnecting with nature. I hope this video has inspired you enough to take that first step towards feeling balanced in your life and immersing yourself in the beauty of the outdoors. Let's cherish and protect the natural world, for it holds the key to our well-being and happiness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more inspiring content on living a nature-rich and mindful life. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, remember to step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and embrace the magic of nature.